business owner or someone dreaming of creating your own course, or you are looking for a way to resell a proven product to earn passive income, this video is for you. I'm going to break down what digital marketing is, how it works, and how this step by step 6-figure blueprint can help you level up your income. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start making money online with clarity, confidence, and automation. Hi, my name is Maximiliana. I'm a single mom to an amazing son. I help care for my aging parents, and I'm building a legacy for our future. I'm here to help everyday people build passive income through online marketing. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to get my latest uploads every week. Let's dive in. So, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is promoting and selling products or services online using platforms like websites, social media, and email marketing and ads. It's about connecting with your target audience right where they spend their time on the internet. For example, if you see a TikTok post promoting a fitness program, that is digital marketing. If you open an email about a new product, that's digital marketing. If you search best planners for 2025 and click a website link, that is also digital marketing. It's powerful because when done right, digital marketing attracts customers, increases sales, and creates scalable income opportunities for any business. Now, let's talk about the 3 types of people that this course is for. One, if you're a business owner, maybe you sell products, services, or even run a local brick and mortar business. You know you need to market online, but digital marketing feels overwhelming. You're spending money on ads with no results, your website gets no traffic, or you don't even know where to start with social media. For you, this course will teach you step by step how to set up your website and sales funnels, how to run effective social media ads, and how to use email marketing to convert leads into customers. Your email list is gold, and this course will teach you how to connect with your customers to your business through emails and newsletters. So, no more guessing. You will learn exactly how to grow your business and attract the right customers to start seeing real results. The second type of person that this business is for is someone who dreams of creating your own course or digital product. This is for you. Maybe you have knowledge or skills that you want to share, like cooking or music classes, or sharing parenting tips, or even marketing itself, but you don't know how to package this or sell it online. Here's how this course will help you. You will learn how to turn your idea into a structured course. You will see how to create your course step by step, from recording to hosting. And most importantly, you will learn how to market it successfully to make sales. Imagine turning what you know into a profitable online course and helping people at the same time. Finally, let's talk about earning passive income, the path that I'm most excited to share. If you want to start making money online without creating your own course, you can purchase this MRR course that stands for Master Resell Rights. And here's how this works. You buy this marketing course and you pay for it once. And then you resell it to others and you keep 100% of the profits. There is no need to build your own content. You get a ready to sell product that's already proven to work. You can start making money and create passive income through automation. Let me quickly explain passive income and automation, 2 key concepts in online success. Passive income. This is money that you earn with minimal ongoing effort. Your marketing that you share through your social media is promoting your business 24/7. So, for example, you set up an automated system to sell a course, and sales come in without you having to be in person directly in front of your customer. You could be sleeping on a cruise or just simply spending time with your family. Now, automation. This is the secret freedom machine that is always working for you. This means setting up tools and systems that do the work for you. This could be anything from email sequences to sales funnels and ads that are running in the background, helping you sell your product automatically. Imagine waking up to notifications that you made sales overnight. That is the power of passive income and automation. And with this type of business, you have no employees, no suppliers, no inventory, no hassle. This is my favorite part. I truly have the time and money freedom that I have always wanted. So, how does the six figure blueprint course work? Well, you'll start with a step by step guide on the digital marketing basics: websites, ads, email funnels, content strategies. If you're a business owner, you will learn how to market your product or service online and get more sales. If you are creating your own course, I will walk you through content creation, pricing, and launching. And if you want to resell this course, I'll show you how to set up your automated system to start earning 100% commissions. And the best part is that this course is designed to work for beginners and those with some experience. No tech skills are required. If you're ready to market your business online, turn your knowledge into a profitable course, or start earning passive income today, head on over to my website, iteachonlinemarketing.com, to sign up for the six figure blueprint. This is your chance to gain the skills, systems, and tools that you need to start building financial freedom through digital marketing. Click the link below to get started, and don't wait. Your six figure journey starts now. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips on building your online business. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make 2025 your most successful year yet.